Your home's exterior takes a beating from sun, rain, and changing temperatures, so regular painting and siding maintenance are essential to keep it protected and looking great. Whether you're freshening up paint or repairing damaged siding, here's how to handle exterior painting and siding fixes like a pro. Start with a thorough inspection. Walk around your home and look for peeling paint, cracks, warped boards, or gaps around trim and windows. If your siding is wood, check for soft spots that could indicate rot. Vinyl and fiber cement siding may have loose panels or small holes that need attention. Before painting or patching, clean the exterior. Use a pressure washer on a low setting to remove dirt, mildew, and loose paint. For smaller jobs, a long-handled scrub brush and soapy water work just fine. Allow everything to dry completely before continuing. Painting on damp surfaces can cause peeling later. If you find damaged or rotted wood siding, cut out the bad section using a circular saw or oscillating tool. Replace it with a new board of the same type and size, and secure it with galvanized nails or exterior screws. For vinyl siding, you can replace an individual panel by unhooking the damaged one from the row above it and snapping in a new piece. Next, scrape away loose or flaking paint using a paint scraper or wire brush. Sand rough edges smooth so the new paint blends seamlessly. For bare wood, apply a primer to seal and protect the surface. This step is key for a long-lasting finish. Use a stain-blocking primer if you're covering knots or water stains. Fill any cracks or nail holes with exterior-grade cart caulk or wood filler. Around windows, doors, and trim, apply a fresh bead of caulk to seal out water and improve insulation. Smooth it with a damp finger or caulking tool for a clean finish. Now it's time to paint. Choose a high-quality exterior paint designed for your siding material. Latex paint works best for most wood, vinyl, or fiber cement surfaces. Apply at least 2 coats using a roller for large areas and a brush for trim or tight corners. Start from the top and work your way down to prevent drips. If you're refreshing vinyl siding, use paint labeled Vinyl Safe to prevent warping. Stick with lighter colors since dark paint absorbs more heat and can cause the panels to buckle. Once the paint is dry, check your work for missed spots and touch up where needed. Clean your brushes and rollers right away so they're ready for the next project. A few pro tips. Paint in mild, dry weather, ideally between 50 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and avoid direct sunlight, which can cause paint to dry too fast. Always wear protective gear when sanding or painting, especially on older homes where lead paint might be present. Exterior painting and siding fixes don't just boost curb appeal, they also extend the life of your home by protecting it from the elements. With a little prep and the right materials, you can keep your house looking fresh, sturdy, and well-maintained for years to come.